Hello and welcome to Layart. Today we are crafting some factory and spacehulk bases for miniature gaming. No fancy tools or materials needed, only imagination. For my builds I am going with these few materials. You can have less, you can have more. Only take what you have at home or in the bin. Do not bother buying specific stuff for this kind of basing. I am starting by placing all the bits I have around the hand to just place them onto the round bases and just trying to keep an eye on what could be good, what could be wrong, and just trying to figure things out as a dry fitting. To glue things, I'm using PVA glue or super glue can do the job. Repeat the process for all the bases you have. You can add everything you want. I have kind of a vertical pole of plastic that goes like 3 centimeters high, and I figured out it could be like an electrical post or something, so I decided to place it on the base too. And just trying to see what could fit in a factory or space hulk environment, using the shape of the material to guide you. Electrical wires could be really interesting for this kind of environment. The spruce bits too, and maybe some plastic toys you may have laying around with interesting shapes like some vehicles or some aircrafts. Cut everything that is going outside of the round bases if you want a clean look. Once you have the basic shapes of your bases, it is now the time where you want to glue the plastic bits, spruce bits or toys bits around, and this is really where you will start to see where things are going and how your base is going to come to life. As you can see, just play around with everything you have around yourself and just wait until an idea come to life and just glue the thing in place. A little trick with copper wire is to tie them together. Like you have two pieces of copper wire and you just, press them together and twist them to make kind of a twisting pattern between the two of them. For the miniature leftover you have, you can also use them, cut them and place them into the base. For this one I am cutting in half a orc skull I am going to glue on this base. Here I tried mixing some PVA glue with every left off of the cuts I made into the materials I use, like plastic, cardboard, wood, etc. And I wanted to make like a paste I would say waste paste, but yeah, it doesn't work that much. So I would advise just mixing some wood glue, PVA glue, with some sand or dry dirt. It will look way better than what I did. Here are the results after black spraying the bases in black. I strongly advise you to spray paint your bases in black, even if you think it is done wrong or even if you think it's gonna be ugly. Sometimes just black spraying everything unified everything together, tied everything together, and you can't really know if it's going to look good unless you black sprayed, sorry, the bases. I hope it was useful and that you can take some advices from this video, and until next time guys, I wish you the very best for your craftings and see you later.